Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the napkin holders using Publisher. So the first thing you want to do is just open up a blank Publisher, and then we're going to insert two squares, and then you want to resize the squares to about 4.5 length and anywhere from 2 inches to 1 inch height. I normally use about 1.5, but you figure out what's best for you and the work that you're currently doing, and adjust the size to your liking. So once you get your thing sized, I'm going to do the same thing and make another square, and then I'm also going to add a circle. The circle I'm going to make about 1.5 height, 1.5 width to make it a 1.5 circle, since that is the height I am making my napkin holder. And I'm going to make the square a tad smaller than the circle, so I can have the circle piece as a middle. You can use any shape as a middle, a heart, star, whatever. Then I group it together, and then I'm going to make it to one color. So these are my two templates, and now let's go ahead and begin to design. So I already have some Cocoa Melon images that I saved to my PC, but if you guys don't know how to get PNG images, I don't know if I have a video on PNG images. If I don't, I will create one. But Google your PNG images and just make sure that they don't have a background, and bring them into Publisher and size them and start placing them on your template to wherever you want them to be. Okay, so once you placed all your items onto your template, you're going to go ahead and create a background. So I'm just doing solid colored backgrounds here. You guys can actually Google a background and place it here if you want. Now I'm removing the outline so my item will print as if it's just one solid piece instead of looking like a circle in a rectangle. And I'm going to add some wording to these napkin holders, but just remember that if you guys are adding words, that the sides will be to the back. So just add words to one side if you want the words to show. Or you can also, shorten your sides if you want, but I like mine to fully wrap around the napkins. So I'm going to Google just to show you guys where you guys can find different fonts. So I do have a Cocoa Melon font on my computer already. But just go to Google, type in Cocoa Melon font or Peppa Pig font or etc. And so many things will pop up. Usually the first couple are free, especially when it's the font. Everything on the font is free. But just go ahead, finish designing your template. Now that you have your items designed and ready to go, you want to make sure that you save your work. Do not wait to the last minute like I just did and save your work. Save it before anything happens. Save it right when you begin. Save it in the middle. Save it before you walk away from your PC. Save your work. You do not want to create and then just have all of your work be for nothing. So save, 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 save. And then once you save it, you can go ahead and print it. I like to use cardstock when making napkin holders, but you guys can use any paper you want. You can use a thicker paper, the same paper that you use for your custom treat wraps. You can use photo paper if you would like to give it a little shinier look. The choice is yours. So just play around and figure out what you like. But I like to use cardstock. So I am going to save and I am about to print and I'll be back for assembling. Thank you. So I have my items printed on my cardstock and I'm going to just use scissors and cut them out. And then we are going to wrap them on our napkins and silverware. Just remember when you create these in Publisher that you are going to be the one cutting out the shapes unless you send it to your Cricut. You can do that. Just save it as a PDF file, load it into your Cricut, and print to cut. Alright, so we have ours cut. Now here you can use double-sided tape or you can use regular tape. I don't know where the hell my regular tape dispenser is at. I think my kids done took it. But so we're gonna use double-sided tape right now. So we had to go get the tape so we can do one with tape and one with double-sided. So this is my double-sided tape and this is just regular Scotch tape. Now we have our napkin, some silverware, and we're gonna get another napkin and another thing of silverware. So we're gonna put 3 in. You guys, if it's your party, you can put 2, 4, 5, 6, however. So I'm gonna show you 2 different ways to fold it. So we're gonna start with a regular square. We're gonna put it sideways where it looks like a diamond shape. Place your silverware in the inside however you feel fits. And then we are going to take our napkins and fold it over like such. Boom, bam. Then we're going to take our napkin holder and place it over like this. And then, put it to the back. And then you're going to just take your tape. Look, my tape dispenser does not even want to act right for me, y'all. Hold on. So you're going to take your little piece of tape and you're just going to apply it there. Boom. Now I'm going to show you another way to fold it. It's going to place it the same way. And then just put your silverware in there. We're going to fold this part first. Fold it down. You don't have to fold it down a lot. You can just give it a little. Boom. Then you're going to place your silverware. Bam, bam, bam. Then you're going to fold over. And then you're going to fold the bottom on top like this. Can you see that? And you're just going to fold the bottom up. Make sure you got this piece down. And then you just fold it just like you did the last one. Sorry, guys. And then it just looks like this. Then you're going to take your napkin holder. We're going to put the double-sided tape on one end. And I pull it off. Bam. Then you just set it the same way. We should have put the double-sided tape on this side, y'all, because the words is there. But, you know, moving too fast. See, now I'm covering my words. So, I'm going to switch it out. I'm going to switch it out real quick. Just like this. Boom. Bam. Now we have our napkin holders made in Publisher. You can use words. Thank you guys for watching.
I said, don't stop talking to me. Stop.